Have you ever wondered what the Windows 10 upgrade folder is doing on your computer now that you have Windows 11? Well, you're not alone. This folder is like a remnant from a bygone era, a souvenir from your upgrade journey from Windows 10. It's packed with files related to the upgrade, such as installation logs, temporary files, and cached data. But here's the million-dollar question. Is it safe to remove? The answer is a resounding yes. Since you've successfully moved on to Windows 11, these files are essentially digital tumbleweeds, rolling around in the vast desert of your hard drive. They don't contribute to your system's stability or functionality. So, feel free to bid them adieu. Now onto the process of removing this folder. There are multiple paths you can take. The first one, manual deletion. Start by opening your File Explorer. From there, navigate to the C drive or wherever Windows is installed on your machine. Spot the Windows 10 upgrade folder, right-click on it, and choose Delete. Simple as that. Second option, Disk Cleanup. This handy tool is just a search away in the Start menu. Once you've opened it, select the drive where Windows is installed. Look for the checkbox that says Temporary Windows Installation Files, which includes the upgrade files. Click OK and watch them vanish. The third and final route, Automated Cleanup. Windows 11 comes with a nifty feature called Storage Sense. This digital housekeeper automatically sweeps away unnecessary files, including those pesky old upgrade files. To enable it, head over to Settings, then System, then Storage, and finally, Configure Storage Sense. However, a word of caution. Always back up any important data before making any changes. Better safe than sorry, right? So to sum it up, the Windows 10 upgrade folder is a leftover from your transition to Windows 11. It's safe to remove and you can do it manually. Use Disk Cleanup or let Storage Sense do the heavy lifting for you. Just remember to back up your important files before you start decluttering. Happy cleaning. So we've thoroughly explored the mystery of the Windows 10 upgrade folder, and now you know just how to get rid of it. Remember, you have three options to choose from: manual deletion, using the Disk Cleanup tool, or enabling the Storage Sense feature in Windows 11. Choose the method that works best for you. But what's next? Well, it's always a good idea to keep your system clean and organized. Regularly check for other unnecessary files or folders that might be clogging up your system, and don't hesitate to use tools like Disk Cleanup or Storage Sense to help you out. And remember, it's not just about freeing up disk space. Keeping your system clean can help it run smoother and faster, giving you a better overall user experience. Just one final reminder, always back up your important files before you start any major cleanup. You never know when you might need them. In the next video, we'll dive deeper into other useful features of Windows 11 that can help you maintain your system. So stay tuned, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it and subscribe to our channel for more tech and troubleshooting videos. Thanks for watching, and happy cleaning.